So today I'm going to talk about how to find the right niche for your niche websites, because if you messed up this step, that means you're gonna waste so much time and so much money as well. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Nimantha Dias. I'm an internet marketer and I make videos every third or second day. So make sure hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have questions, please comment below. I will reply to all the comments as well. So when it comes to niche selection, people do a big mistake. I mean, it's okay to make mistakes, but if you know this truth, you will not do the same mistake again. So the biggest mistake people do, go after big niches. That means health or wealth or relationships. These are really competitive, and Google SERP full with big authority websites. Now I'm in the health niche, search. So the tool says very difficult. Yeah, that is nothing new. So this is what I wanted to show you. So you can see the domain authority 80, 80 88, 74, 87, 80, 94, 94, crazy, 91, 76, 91. Maybe we'll try fast, just a few keywords. You can see the same thing. Crazy, right? Okay, so let's say how to say, let's typical one, how to make money online, about the wealth niche, right? You can see 93, 67, 74, 95, 79, 80, Forbes, there are big ones right there. I'm pretty sure that you are a beginner. That's why you are watching this video, right? So that means probably you don't have a big budget. Probably you don't have a team to write your content. Probably you are the one who make this content. You are the one who write your content. So these bigger authority websites, they have their own team to make their content and backlinks and everything. To compete with these big websites, you need to have a big budget or team for make your content. So when it comes to selecting your niche, do not go after bigger keywords. You can just do a small research, right? And then you can see all these bigger websites, and you can see all the big domain authority and page authority and the backlinks and so much content. Then you know, okay, this is not my niche. So if you are a beginner, do not go after lose weight or fitness or make money or affiliate marketing, these kind of topics. Also food recipes, and these are really competitive. My first advice, my first tip, go with some normal, less competitive niches. Trust me, there are so many niches out there. And the important thing is, when you go with less competitive niches, and when you see your website is ranking and your content is ranking and you get some traffic from Google, that actually motivates you. That actually motivates you to make great content. Second biggest tip is, do not go laser focus niches, right? You need to make sure that there are enough topics, because you have to continuously make great content. So when you run out of topics, and then you cannot make content as well. So make sure your niche is broad, right? So when your niche is broad, then you can go with the niche for sure, because there are enough topics to make content. And the third biggest tip is, make sure there are some products to sell, right? So example, let's say I'm pretty sure you make a website about tennis, or you are making a website about table tennis, right? So let's say you are making a website about tennis, and then you need to think about, okay, what kind of things I can sell. So you can sell, so this is only example, you can sell tennis rackets, tennis shoes, and tennis sport clothes, so much things, right? Okay, I just search tennis training tool. I can search so many things. You can see there are 1900 searches even that come in from keywords everywhere tool. And when you go down, you will see some tools, and this one that's a good one, 210, right? This tool. There are so many things, but make sure that you are not trying to promote kind of these like $9 or something, at least 50 $60 or 109. These are good um, price ranges to promote. But like I said before, don't go and find really small one. Let's say tennis racket. They are expensive ones, I'm pretty sure. 21, 16, 79. Yeah, like I said, there are so many. When you type tennis, you can see how many things are coming, and there are so much things. And also you need to make sure these products are not like $2-3 worth, right? Because when you sell this product, when you get pennies as commission, come on, there is nothing we can do for pennies in this world right now. Yeah, so make sure there are some good products with a good prices, and then you can sell and get a commission. And the fourth biggest tip is make sure there are some affiliate networks. Amazon is good, but Amazon even drop the commission rate, which is sad, right? So make sure there are some affiliate programs what you are blogging about. So when your website is, so another example, let's say you are making a website about yoga, right? Doing yoga stuff, right? So make sure there are some courses, there are some training courses online. Because of Corona, pretty sure there are many online courses selling really fast. So make sure there are some affiliate networks that you can make some sale and get some commission. Search yoga affiliate programs program. You can see there are some even posts about it, top 10 yoga affiliate programs to promote. So we can see, so in this way you can make sure there are some affiliate programs, and you can promote within your niche website. So there are so many keywords as well. So yeah, this is the procedure to find affiliate program within your niche. Type your niche here and then affiliate program. Easy is that. And the fifth biggest tip is make sure your niche is not season, right? Let's say if you are making a website about something Christmas, right? And that means people will buy on Christmas time, right? Because Christmas is not every day, right? So, and the other time, so website traffic go down and the sales goes down and everything goes down. Only in the season time it goes up. So make sure your niche is consistently get traffic and people are buying in the entire year. So these mistakes are really common mistakes, but it's okay to make mistakes, right? But when you know this, and then you will not make that mistake, and you can save a lot of money and you can save a lot of time as well. For that, I can give you an example. Let's say you are making a website about skiing, right? So your niche is skiing. You are gonna talk about skiing equipment, But the thing is, these websites do not get traffic. I mean, not much traffic, and people are not buying skiing equipment in the summertime, right? So you need to know that. I mean, it's okay. I'm not saying you should not do it, but if you expect get traffic in entire year, and if you would like to have more sales in entire year, when you choose a niche about skiing, that means you will not get much traffic and you will not get much sales in the summertime, right? To see it, even you can use Google Trends, right? So you can see there are some things people are searching in entire year or not. Okay, so now I'm gonna put skiing equipment, so it's as a search term. So this is what I was talking about. So you can see this trend is going up 100%. January 19th, right? And here getting more and getting more, right? And then here it is June, because it's the summertime, right? And these times are summer times coming, and then normally it is when it is like here, normally it is now it's good, it will go again upward, so like this. So November, and then it is building the trend again, building the trend, and then it is going up. So these times are the winter times, so we need we need snow, right, to do skiing. So here we have the good trend, and here we don't have a good trend because it's a summertime. So traffic and sales will go down these times. Some people will buy it because some skiing equipment stores are putting the prices down. So if some people are buying it, that's why. Otherwise, normally skiing equipment going up in the winter time. So sixth tip is, this is really a general thing. When you want to choose your niche, choose something you like, right? Because if you are the one, I presume that you are the one who make content, right? And if someone else doing the content, it's okay. But if you have no passion, I mean, if you don't like the niche, that means it is actually going to be difficult for you, because you have to continuously make content. And let's imagine when you have to talk about something which you don't like, so I think it's not a good idea. But if it is okay, then you can go with any niche. Sorry, my neighbor just rang the bell. So I was talking about the skiing niche, right? So if you have a plan that you are gonna pay someone to make content, that's fine, right? You can do any niche. He or she write the content and then you just publish, right? But like I said before, I think you are a beginner, so that means you don't have probably you don't have a big budget. Probably you don't have a team, or you don't have people to write your content. So make sure you like your niche. So actually that makes sense, right? Because like I said, you have to continuously make content. I'm saying it again and again. Sorry for that. Yeah. Okay, I think seventh step. So I would like to do some keyword research. To do the keyword research, I use KeySearch. It's a really simple and a cheap tool. There is a link in the description. You can check it out, and it is going to be my affiliate link. And if you buy through my link, I will get few dollars as commission, and these commissions help me to make more content about Indian marketing for free. Also, there is a 30% discount, and that's a good thing, right? So to make sure to do some keyword research, and you see right away, I mean, not maybe right away, but when you do a little bit, like 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes, then you can see some opportunities. Maybe they are not going to be like 5,000K or 2,000K searches or 10,000 searches, but at least there are some searches that you can make content about less competitive keywords. So because that is going to be a good thing, because you should know there are some opportunities right away. I know it is kind of related to the first thing. The thing is, your niche can be not health or wealth or relationship, whatever it is, but your niche still can be competitive, right? So it's a good thing to do your keyword research and what kind of things people are searching, what kind of opportunities you have to make your content. Okay, so I think I did not talk a lot and I wanted to make this video not that long. Anyway, so if you see this channel the first time and if you see my videos first time, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up as well. And if you have questions, you can comment below. When you subscribe, you will get my notification for sure, because I'm going to make 2-3 videos for 1 week. So that's it. And the last tip is actually a general tip. It's going to be, I'm not going to count with my other tips, so normally otherwise this is going to be 8th tip. You have to take action, right? You have to take action, take action, take action, take action, because nothing gonna rank or we are not gonna make money if you are still every day is waiting and do your research every day. You know, you have to take action, then you can see some results. So that's it. Like I said, subscribe and comment below if you have a question. Give me a thumbs up as well. So see you in the next video.